Before doing any arithmetic operation, you need to understand what are the signs which needs to be used in Excel. For addition, there is a plus sign. For subtraction, there is a minus sign. For multiplication, we need to use star. And for division, it will be forward slash. In this video, let us see how we can do multiplication using Excel. Multiplication in Excel is a straightforward method. You need to use the formula to do the multiplication. The formula is equals, and you need to take the number which is there in the B2. B2 is the value of 46. I have to take 46, and also I need to take C2, which is 80. For multiplication, I need to use the symbol star, and I need to enter the other number which is 80 for the total. I got the total which is 3680. Make it bold. In this way, I can use the numbers to multiply across all these remaining cells. For example, I will do another multiplication for 2 into 2 equals 2 into 2, which is 4. If you notice, I need to enter these numbers which are there in the column B and also in column C to get the total. What if I wanted to copy the formula and I need to get the total without entering the numbers? If I take the numbers directly without the formula or without using the cell reference which is B2 and C2, I will not get the proper total. In order to get the proper total, what I have to do is I have to use the formula again, equals. Instead of using the number straight away, what I have to do is use the cell reference. For this 45, the cell reference is B4. I will take B4 as the cell reference, and for another 45, I need to take the cell reference as C4. I need to enter C4, which is multiplication symbol, and C4. I will get the total of 2025. Now there are two different methods which I have used to multiply. One is using the numbers straight away, and the other one is using the cell reference. If I use the cell reference, I can copy across all the cells so that the formula will be copied and I will get the total straight away. So it is automatic to get the total value of the multiplication. Another example and see how we can do the multiplication in vertical fashion. Let me take another example. I will take 100, 67, 78. We did multiplication in horizontal fashion and we have got the total. But what if I wanted to do the multiplication in a vertical numbers? What I have to do is, again, I need to use the same formula which is taking the cell reference or entering the number directly. 100 into 67 into 78. So I'll get the total. So this is the total of multiplying 100 into 67 into 78. Or we can also use the cell reference equals. The cell reference for 100 is C12 into 67, its cell reference is C13, and star, and take the cell reference of 78, which is star C14. So we got the total for 100, 67 and 78. So we got the total using both the methods. We got the total which is same. Now after doing this multiplication example, let us also do the tables. Let us take an example and see how we will be able to create a table for 12. What I have to do is I need to enter the number for 12 and multiply by. So I have to take the count as 10. So now the count is 10. You can also see where I am checking the count. I am checking in the bottom. So I have taken the count, and also if I wanted to fill the series, I have to click on this button and click fill series. So it will fill the series automatically. Let me copy and let me cut and paste and enter 12. 12, I don't want to fill the series. It will remain static. In all the 10 cells, 12 will remain as it is. I will enter total for this table. Again, I have to use the same formula, equals 12 J3 into K3. I am using the cell reference. So 12 into 1 equals to 12. If I wanted to get the desired result for all the other table, I have to drag the formula across the remaining cells so that the formula will be copied. I have copied the formula across all the remaining cells. Now you can see the result has been automatically generated. We have got the total for table 12. Let us also do one more example for table number 27. Let us do an example for 27. I will copy the same numbers again. Straight away I will copy these numbers, and also I will copy. I have to enter 27. I don't want to copy 12. I will take this number 27 and I will copy the formula in the P column. It will automatically calculate the table for 27. Column N and O will be automatically calculated. It has used the formula for multiplication for 27 into 1. If you drag the formula, it will copy the formula and there will be the result for the table 27. This is the result what exactly we are looking for, and we have got the result for table number 27.